What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome to another Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV video. Well, in today's video, my people, I came across this video and I want to share it with y'all, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I said, don't know which parish in Jamaica it really took place, but it's a incident that happened with some citizens and the Jamaican police. They are in plain clothes and things. So I want to know, watch the video, listen what I go on, and after the video I'll give my comments on what I think is happening. So please like up the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on all, so each time I upload a video you'll be the first to be notified. Now let's get into the video, my people.
Stay in a keep, stay in. If not, do not go. Play Crooks not do nothing, man, come with the jail. Him take on Crooks. Him the one that take on Crooks. And I say Crooks have gone. And him man have been drilling him hand. Then the one that Andre, hold this. Video them. Stop with them. We not stop with them. Me I return the lawful response, so you can stop me. And you don't have no right. First of all, before you can continue to think about take this out of me, and you have to find out who me be. Stop me from video. I'm not obstruct your work. I'm on my property. I'm not obstruct your work, big man. Because I'm witnessing now going with a bag of foolishness. There's no way you can bust a woman's face. Me a video him. Paris, come here. Again, what's the message going about here? Back there. Yo, watch out now. We have a right, no give it. No give us full right. Yo, we have full right, no give it. We have full right, don't give it. Yo, watch out now.
Yo, Dex. Watch out, them arrest the woman because she tell them about her mother, but them return the same thing, you know. Them tell the woman about her mother too, you know. He should something mother and can't take it.
No, what you mean, no? You have to kill
Take them blood clot picture. Take them picture. Wanna take them picture. Blood coat. I should have my sister. I should have my sister. I'm my woman. I should have my sister and my woman. That can't tell you no. Yo. That can't tell you. I should have my sister and my woman.
I don't want to go back like that face. Make sure to run bust up my top. Run bust.
I should have my sister and my woman. That can't tell you no. She taking a blood clot picture. Yeah. Remember say we're a human being. Remember say we're a human being. We're not a hayan. We're not a hayan. We're not a hayan, brother. You can't be female and more dog. For what? For what? A woman's strength to not have. Woman's strength to not have. Are you supposed to beat up for woman every day? You're supposed to beat up for woman every day. Woman's strength to not have, hombre. You're going enough van. You need to go with them. You need to go with them. You don't go with them. Don't go with them. You don't go with them. Don't go with them. Don't go with them. No. Wanna catch up on video in the car? Make sure they catch up on video. Catch their face and then lights the plate. A blood run through all of you. You're in a high hand. Yeah.
Now, based on what I have observed, it's a whole bunch of chaos, a whole bunch of noise, everybody talking at the same time. But from what I can see is like a man was arrested, but he was placed inside the police vehicle, so you can't really see him. And I guess the young lady that you see them have up, I guess that was his woman or something like that, you know what I say? And apparently, like, the police, they must say assault her or whatever, because either she tell them go suck them mother, or him tell her go suck them mother, and them thing there. You know, this whole sucking mother thing is getting out of control. But, you know, you did there, you see what I go on, next minute you know, you see a next man grab a next man and I try haul and pull him, and next one did there and hear a shot fire and them thing, them people. So it's just one big drama after our next. Then here our next slip come on and say, I should have filmed sister or filmed woman, I either see what I go on. No people. Won't you think it happen if I'd really filmed sister or filmed woman and him decide to take action? Is either him that get beaten by the police, probably lose all him life and them thing there. You know me I say, so decisions that people make when it comes to parting towards the police them, you know, can be detrimental to your life, you know. You can video them and rave as long as you not interfere with them investigation. You know me I say. So, you know, we see them things all the while happening at Jamaica with the police them and the people them. And, you know, sometimes it get crazy. Most of the time it get crazy. Not sometimes. Most of the time it get crazy. Because we see it all the time. You know. So, you know, what we're going to learn from this? What we're really going to learn from this situation? And at one point you said one of the police them pull out all them gun and ray. You know me I say my people. But it's just another day in a typical life of Jamaica between police and the people them when situation like this occur. But let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section about this video. You know, my people. Yeah, so with that, remember to like up the video, remember to subscribe. You know what I say? And like me always say, walk good, live good, God is the greatest, and we'll check it out in the next video.